So recently I sat down and read a bunch of YouTube comments, including a bunch of my own, and it seems as though there are a lot of people out there that aren't exactly happy with the current state of woodworking on YouTube. Now, before we get started, my name is Nick. I run the YouTube channel Padula Studio. This is my second channel, and we'll get to the reasons why I'm doing this channel in a minute. But like a lot of you, I am an avid consumer of woodworking videos on YouTube. I mean, this started way back in the day with Mark from The Wood Whisperer. And then his videos kind of led me to other videos from Frank Howarth and Woodworking for Mere Mortals. One of my favorite channels back then was Down to Earth Woodworks. But something feels different these days. And yeah, granted, the market is saturated, but I don't think that's the issue because I'm sure we all want more woodworking videos. So I thought I would ask my audience, what is it that you hate about woodworking? And as per usual, you guys did not disappoint, all right? I had a bunch of awesome comments from all of you, so thank you for doing that. But it seems like those frustrations can be boiled down to like a handful of problems, and some of them I'm hoping this channel can fix. Unfortunately, some of them this channel won't be able to fix, okay? Now, the biggest one, and probably the most obvious, is people are pretty over being sold shit, and they're over the clickbaity titles, they're over ads, and they're over sponsored tool reviews, which is totally fair, and I do agree with a lot of you. I think, unfortunately, this is kind of like the necessary evil of YouTube. The other big frustration seems to be with the content itself. People feel there's an abundance of epoxy videos, and realistically, just not enough videos about woodworking itself. Granted, there's a lot of beginner videos out there, and I think that's great because there's always going to be beginners and it's important for them to be able to learn. But what about for the people like me who are learning from woodworking videos over a decade ago? All of our skills have progressed, but it seems as though there's frustration that the videos themselves haven't progressed with our skill level. And just to be clear here, I'm not singling out or ripping on any woodworking creators on YouTube. Anyone that's willing to put themselves out there and share their knowledge, I think it's great and it's good for all of us. Now, when I ask people what they hate about woodworking, I also asked what you want to see more of. And the answer was pretty simple. People want to see more woodworking, more techniques, and more about different processes and what's going on, particularly things that haven't really been seen before. And even though there's a bunch of awesome channels out there that do focus on this stuff, it seems as though people want to see more knowledge from professionals and people within the industry. And even though it is out there, it is lacking, and I don't blame anyone for that. I mean, all the professionals out there are too busy running a business, and I know from personal experience, you have to be out of your fucking mind to want to run a furniture making business and the YouTube channel at the same time. I didn't sleep for a very long time when I first started my YouTube channel. So the intention behind this channel is to provide industry knowledge for the everyday woodworker. So just for some context, so you don't think I'm completely full of shit, I have been in the industry for 22 years now. I am a qualified cabinet maker and have built commercial and domestic furniture for small and large companies. I've built and installed high-end kitchens, and I've worked extensively with different materials from your manufactured boards through many different species of solid wood. I've now been running my own business for 10 years that's been built off of designing and building one-off pieces for clients. I've been woodworking since I was 8 years old and was taught by my grandfather, who was a master craftsman and learnt all of his skills back in Italy. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is I'm hoping that by sharing my knowledge, that some of you might be able to take that away and use it in your own woodworking, whether you're a beginner, you're intermediate, or advanced. Now, let me just quickly get into the reasons for this channel and what to expect, and then we can get over this video and start moving on to some actual woodworking. Now, obviously, we've just discussed the main reason for this channel, which is to give an industry insight into woodworking. But the main sort of reasons as to why I've even brought this idea up in the first place is because I'm fully aware that people get annoyed by my long gaps between uploads on my main channel. But that is because the projects that I build are really intense projects and they deserve that amount of time. All right? I'm not the type of person to rush a project just so I can get something out every month. So by having this second channel will allow me to create more videos in between the long builds on the main channel. But it's also not lost on me that I know a lot of people get annoyed by the fact that If you want to see more of my content, you have to pay for it over on Patreon. Now, don't get me wrong, I do believe that skilled information should sometimes be paid for, but I also believe that people deserve to learn, and that shouldn't matter what your financial position is. So this second channel is going to sit in between the two, all right? So the main channel is still going to be those high polished videos, and then Patreon is still going to continue to be the weekly uploads and a more in-depth view into why I do things. This channel will be the how I do certain things. And just so you're aware, I have been talking to my patrons about this. I wouldn't actually go forward with this decision if I didn't have the okay from them. But as always, they're wildly supportive of the things that I do. And at the end of the day, this is just more videos for everybody. Now, full transparency here, I know that we have just spoken about a lot of the things that people dislike about YouTube, but unfortunately, this channel is going to have to make money in order for it to be more regular uploads, because it's going to take my time and everyone deserves to get paid for their time. So if it does get to the position of being able to take on sponsors, I will be taking on sponsors on this channel. I understand if you don't like that, and I don't expect you to hang around if that's something that you're not interested in. All I can do is promise that I'm not going to take advantage of it, and I'm going to provide the best information when it comes to woodworking that I possibly can here. But look, if this channel does interest you, then I would love to know what you want to see, and if you want to show your support, it'd be amazing if you want to share my videos, like them and subscribe them and do the bell thing and all that kind of shit. So look, this is completely an experiment, right? I have no idea if this is going to work, but in life and in business, you need to try new things. So this is me trying something new. And hopefully you all enjoy it and you can learn something from it as well. So that is the end of this video that has nothing to do with actual woodworking, but the next video is ready to go and I really hope you enjoy it.